delicious beef stew, cozy recipe which you can make every other day. It's a comfort food. And the vegetables. First thing first, you need beef stew meat. This is basically a shoulder meat of a cow. This is 3 pound of it, 3-inch cut pot. It should be on the high flame. We will take olive oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. This is 5 seasoning powder. You can season this stew the way you want it, just giving you a rough idea. Use 5 seasoning powder, 1 tablespoon of it. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. White distilled vinegar, you will take 2 tablespoons of it. After adding the seasoning, we will stir fry it at least for 10 minutes. Beef is getting stir fried. Let's prepare vegetable, carrot, potatoes and onion. Four carrots, 3 potatoes, 1 onion is ready to go. Been 10 minutes. Let's take this beef out. Look at this. In the same pot, white onion, make cubes out of it, add it in here. Carrots. Potatoes, same, we will make cubes out of it. And this size is perfectly fine. 6-7 cloves of garlic. Cup of frozen green peas or fresh green peas if you have it. 1 tablespoon of the salt for the 3 pound of the beef and the vegetables, the beef stock. I'm using whole 2 lbs of the beef stock. Some bay leaves just for the flavoring, add a couple of them. Delicious beef stew meat back in our pot. So we'll cover it from the top, put it on medium flame and cook it on the clock for 90 minutes. Just like that. Cover it. We'll check back on this pot after 90 minutes. It's been 90 minutes. Let's open this guy. It has been on to slow roast kind of thing. It was on the slow flame and it was just boiling just like this. So here you go, moment of truth. Tomato sauce. We will take 1 cup of tomato sauce in here. Give it a gentle mix. OMG. Oh, it got some char. It was sitting at the base. So some people do add, flour, all-purpose flour in there just to make the sauce thick. We are making gluten-free and healthy, completely healthy, cozy beef stew. After adding the tomato sauce, we will cover it again with the lid, put it on to simmer at least for 20 minutes. So then we will have a delicious beef stew. Just give me 20 more minutes. 1 hour, 50 minutes later, let's turn off the stove. We are done cooking our delicious beef stew. It will take for you 2 hours to cook this delicious beef stew I have shared with you. Gluten-free, cozy, healthy, clean beef stew. Wow, look at this. Beauty. Yum. Oh my God. Who wants to dive in? Bring your forks, bring your spoons, and let's get there. So add some cilantro just for the greenish touch. You can add parsley. Give me 10 minutes. We will do a taste test then. Ultra comforting, soothing, delicious beef stew is completely ready, and this is the first bite. I was taking some thumbnails, so that was it. Here you go, first bite. And man, it's so healthy. This is hot at the moment. Like hot, hot. Wow. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make this recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Subscribe the channel. Like the video. You know that by now.